In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect a phone with Opel Grandland X. For this process, you need an Android car, USB cable, and phone with the Google Android Auto app. First step. You must pair your phone with your car's Bluetooth for setup. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. In the car display, tap on Phone and then Search Device, and the search will begin. On the phone available devices, you will see Opel IntelliLink. Tap on it. Then, in the car display, tap Yes, and tap Pair on the phone. This process is completed. Step 2. Connect your smartphone to the infotainment system using a USB cable. In the car display, tap on Projection, then tap on Enable. Android Auto app will start on your phone. Just set up the following steps by tapping on Next and Continue. Then, on the car display tap on Continue, and the Android Auto app icon will appear on your car display. Tap on Android Auto, and here are all available apps. For Google Maps, tap on Maps. Then find an address and tap on it, and you'll start navigation.
Head north on Sawyerhofstrasse toward Rotbuchenstrasse. This route avoids a road closure in 4 kilometers. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 15:32.
Good ride, and don't forget to subscribe.